Hello, I'm Matt, welcome back to Workshop. I've got a couple of new knives, so I thought I'd show you and show you the differences between them. So, let's have a look. What I have is two knives by A Wight. I'll tell you why I got two of them. What I wanted was a traditional folder that was slip joint, so non-locking and under 3 inches. And I wanted to have it in my pocket all the time. And I wanted to be able to open it with gloves. This one you can just pinch to open. This you really got to use your nail. But all of the pictures I couldn't really tell, so I did the only sensible thing, I bought both of them. So what we have here is a sheep's foot in rosewood, and that's the one you can actually pinch open. So I thought I'd go for bone for the other one, and I'd go for the lamb's foot. So these knives are both made by A Wight in Sheffield. The blade length, and really the length of the whole knife, is about the same. The lamb's foot, as you can see, has a nice point to it, as the sheep's foot's more rounded. A lot of reviews talk about the fit and finish not being so great. I'm really pleased with these. I think they're really nice quality, and I think this one I paid about £16 and the bone was a little more, £19, so I think they're incredibly cheap. They're quite new to me, so I don't know how the blade is going to hold up, but I'm more than capable of sharpening a knife. I am super pleased. The only thing I'd like to add really is a lanyard hole, but for the money they're really great and I recommend getting one. That's about it for these then. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.